satisfaction is good. The thing is, you got your perfection is you want to do something very important. Spontaneous expression can in every time, anytime. I can see clearly in the class the difference in the first stuff and next there is a change, something change. You're able to control the sacrifice. Even sometimes when people try to disagree, it's like you want to make a event conversation, but not better. Maybe because you feel very enthusiastic, because you enjoy it and enjoy the class. Sometimes you realize that you overacting.
Overacting. This is, I think, called shameless self-promotion. Can you move on to the next slide? Wow.
Chatting for the first time. I thought this guy is pretty rude.
You get where this is going, right?
I thought I'll probably ignore this person because I thought he would be rude. But I got confused there. He was cracking jokes, he was talking to everybody in a pretty normal way as we do. You know you have some leadership qualities, like
What are the women,
a lot of initiative, but still people don't love you that. I mean, everybody has taken these many initiatives, but still people don't appreciate it. I mean, there would be some reason behind this, right?
Well, so this was all about the listening. And I was tired of listening to the same story again and again. But since it was my walkabout,
he managed to get it off.
And I really wanted to listen. It's not just about my walkabout itself. I was really interested to listen. And that's why I listened. About my advisors. Well, I had a very difficult time choosing advisors. I mean, I could have taken from the entire class, but I did not have the time to take it from the entire class. So I had to shell out, I have to choose people from whom I have to take walkabouts advices about. A lot of people outright rejected. They said, I cannot give you an honest feedback. Some people said yes, but kept on delaying. Finally, I got tired of them and I said, I don't want. Some people, after some waiting, they said that I cannot give you any more feedback, Vijay, because you did something to me some time back and whatever the reason be. The ones who finally gave me some really insightful feedback, and that has really helped me a lot. So I'd like to share two quotes with you people. First one, there is no shortcut to any place worth going. I had to take the long cut, and I hope you people also will have to take long cut. It's just a matter of question who took the long cut first. And the second quote, again from Albert Einstein. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. And I think this helped me a lot because I was curious and I was passionate about my own curiosity to find out what people think of me and to answer the first question. So what do you think of me? I had gone through this walkabout. It was a special journey. Finally, I came victorious, and I would like to thank you people for listening to it. With one last quote of Albert Einstein. If the facts don't fit the theory, change the facts. Thank you very much.
Any questions?
Any questions?
Go ahead. Parting shots.
Mansi?
Why did you hold all these things and now you have taken it down? What was the logic behind that?
Logic behind this was when I came to AIM, I had all these covers on top of me. This was all the covers I had. All the type of covers. I was a different person, I was acting differently. I think some gave feedback. I can't let everybody listen to all the things I heard because it's too personal. But some people found out that I was pretending. So I had to shell out all the pretensions away. So this is my way of saying that I have shelled out, and right now I'm standing in front of you, torn socks, slippers, borrowed jeans and borrowed t-shirt. So this is who I am. Pankaj?
After listening to all the comments and everything.
You didn't listen to all of them.
After you listening to what people
say.
There
are women, man. There are only guys talking about.
What went wrong?
Yeah,
this went wrong.
No women.
This went wrong. All the pretensions. I was under the impression that I have to impress people. Now I don't have to. I can just be myself and everybody knows me. So this is what went wrong and this is what I've shelled out right now. And I've shelled out permanently. No more pretension, no more Gunjan, Heru.
No, that's Babisha.
I know, people who did not give, I can't help it, but I have to use prop, right? And I can't use Gunjan's
You can
shirt,
use
it
Prab.
fits me. So I had to use something which did not fit me.
Bobisha shirt. That's it.
I tried, you know, it didn't fit me at all. I couldn't
Yeah.
pull it in. So I had to choose clothes which will not fit me at all to give the impression that this is what I was not and this is who I am. Anybody else? Gunjan?
Are you still trying to imprison that you have changed?
Good question. I don't answer good questions. No. No, I don't. I'm not right now. This is I've gone through 6 long discussions, each lasting for more than 1.5 hours. And it was really, really painful. And what was more painful was listening to them again to make this presentation. Because I had to cut down small points which was said on a period, you know, a span of time. Somewhere said here, somewhere said there. I had to listen to the entire audio again. I had to cut down and I have to make this presentation because Gunjan, you remember your own speech. This was not how you gave it. Speech, discussion, whatever, Mansi. What Jacob said. I had to cut from what he said at the beginning. I had to keep it at the end because he was, you know, kind of saying I'm sensitive and
About the
all that.
ladies man.
So I had to, yeah, you did say I'm a ladies man, so I had to use it in the later part.
Trying to make you feel good.
So that was more difficult for me, listening to it twice and thrice and again so that I can make this presentation. Then typing all those, oh, I think you were rude. I heard that 7 times from 6 people. So it's not easy. It's not easy.
Very good.
Sorry, one second.
This question, so these guys knew that you were taping them or?
Yes, everybody knew. Initially, I had thought I wouldn't tell them.
Not me.
But yes, I know. I thought I'll keep it as a surprise for this particular incident.
Doesn't look
But
surprised.
I told them at the end. I mean, I thought giving them a chance to think about their feedback would help
Yeah,
me
it's
get more
recording.
insightful feedback rather than just having an open discussion. That really won't help out. So I told them one day in advance that I'll take a feedback. I told them what kind of questions I'm going to ask. So there was no questions around. It was just that I had a format in my mind. I used that format to get feedback so that I can evaluate when I was literally trying to evaluate using the gap analysis. I can see, okay, these people had the same questions answer differently. And I asked everybody reasons why they answer. For example, this question was common to all. Do you think I am an extrovert and introvert? And I had to ask first, define what do you mean by an extrovert and what do you mean by an introvert? And then you answer me, what do you think I am? Because if you say I'm an extrovert and you don't even say why, it doesn't really...
Fair enough. Okay.